Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Guys, today I have a phone. This I think the Samsung model, because here is the sticker. I can't see the model number. So forget the password. So this phone, how can hard reset? See, here is the forget the password pin code number. So I will format. So first press the power key and the volume minus key together. See, and power off. Keep press for 10 to 20 seconds, and you can see the take restart your phone, and then press power key and volume plus key. And when you see the logo is Note 10 5G, Galaxy Note 10 5G, this Samsung model. And now I'm keep press the volume plus key, remove the power key. After that you can see the option like this, and go down. For the web data factory reset, press the power key, and then go the down option. This is the Russian version mobile phone, and now is getting format. You have to wait until finish this formatting. And then guys, again go to the web cache partition, this option, and press yes. And now press the reboot system. Now press the power key. Now take the restart this phone and take 2 minutes to open. So you have to keep it the phone. After 2 minutes come back. So guys, our phone is ready. Now is opening. Start Android, starting Android. So now we can see here is the welcome. So I change the language United States USA. Next I have read all this option, agree, next, and here I skip, and then next, don't copy, check, next, wow, more. So this phone have no, skip anyway, no password, Gmail account, that's why it's opening. If you have the Gmail account, you have use the Gmail account, or you put the password or fingerprint, password or the pattern lock if you have. So is just wait and see. So this phone without password or Gmail account, that's why it's open. So see, it's formatting and open. So this way you can hard reset or format your smartphone, Samsung Galaxy new model. And thank you for watching my video guys. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for next video notification.